Hey guys, today we're unboxing this new GeForce GTX model. It's a GeForce GTX 1650 Super, 4GB of GDDR6 memory. This is actually the upgraded version of GTX 1650, but it uses the core of 1660, although a little bit cut out version. And it also uses better memory than the previous 1650 without Super model. So let's open it up and see what's inside. In this case we got ourselves a Gainward Pegasus OC model. And we have another box, the usual cardboard box that comes in these packages. Foam padding, the card itself, and we have a leaflet. Again, no CD with drivers, which is kind of good because these CDs are actually waste. Now here is the card. You might see already it's with one fan only. Let's open it up. Okay, here it is. One fan, just an aluminum heatsink, no heat pipes or anything, so they don't expect this to heat too much. It has one display port, one HDMI and one DVI, and only uses one 6-pin connector for power. So we will test this card and see the performance, but hopefully it will be close to 1660, which would be quite nice. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye!